Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the email on a secure device. Confirm sender and subject before clicking anything. Once you see the gift code or claim link, copy it immediately or click the Official Claim button. Make sure the email shows an expiration date and any merchant restrictions. If a link opens a merchant site, pause and verify the domain. Only proceed on the retailer's verified page. This step prevents scams and preserves the gift's value. While you next go to the merchant's checkout or gift balance page and sign in, some stores lock redemption to the recipient account. Once signed in, paste the code into the gift card or promo field or click the site's Add to Account option. If the value is partial, decide whether to split payment with another method. If fees apply, they'll show before finalizing. After redemption, confirm the new balance or order discount so you know exactly what remains. Complete your purchase and immediately save confirmation and a screenshot of remaining balance. If the code fails, first verify you copied it correctly and the expiration date. If still invalid, ask the sender to confirm the code or forward the original email. Then contact merchant support with order ID and screenshots. Keep an eye on return or refund rules. They often return value to the original gift balance, not a credit card. That single troubleshooting path resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.